Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well. So, today we will start a new chapter, that is chapter 8, working with folders in Windows 7. Now, let us learn how to work with files and folders. In your computer, there is folder named computer. You must have noticed the computer icon on the desktop. When you double click the icon, the computer windows opens displaying all the contents of the computer as shown below. It shows the hard disk, the CD, DVD drive or any external device like a pen drive and many more. When you double click the hard disk icon, you see a list of files and folders saved in it. First, let us learn what is a file and folder. Basically, a file is a collection of data or information. When you save your work in a program, it is saved as a file. Just as you keep all related documents in a file, you can keep the files in a folder. A folder is a place to store files or other folders. A folder within a folder is called a subfolder. Every file and folder is given a name which help us in locating them when we need it. Let us now learn to organize the files on the computer. Let's begin with renaming a file or a folder. In your previous classes, you have already learned how to create and save a file with a identifier name, but you might later want to rename your existing file or a folder. In order to do so, follow the given steps. Step 1. Right click the folder or file that you want to rename. Step 2. Click Rename option from the shortcut menu. Step 3. Type a new name for the folder and press Enter button. Now we will learn about deleting a file or a folder. Suppose if you want to delete your file, then you can easily do that. Deleting a file or folder from the hard disk will remove it from the hard disk. It will be sent to the recycle bin. Follow the steps below to do that. Step 1. Right click the folder or file that you want to delete and click Delete option from the shortcut menu. Step 2. Windows shows a message box to confirm deletion. Click Yes to delete. Sometimes you may delete a file or folder by mistake, or you may suddenly find a need of some deleted file or folder. Then in this case you can bring it back from the recycle bin, and this is called restoring a file. Follow the steps below to restore a file. Step 1. Double click on the recycle bin icon on the desktop. The contents of the recycle bin get displayed in a new window. Step 2. Click on the file or folder you want to restore, operating system file in this case. Step 3. Click on Restore this item in the toolbar at the top of the window. The item is restored back to its original location from where it was deleted. See, in this given picture, you can see the recycle bin from where you can restore your deleted files. You can copy a folder or a file to place it at another location without removing it from its original location. Follow the given steps below. Step 1. Right click the file or folder that you want copy and click Copy option from the shortcut menu. Step 2. Right click the folder where you want to copy it and click Paste option from the shortcut menu. You can also move a folder or a file to a new location. the file that you move will be removed from its original location and be placed at another location. So basically, in case of copying, your file also remains on the original location, but in case of moving, the file is deleted from the original location. So follow the steps below to move a file. Step 1. Right click the file or folder that you want to move and click cut option from the shortcut menu. Step 2. Right click the folder where you want to place it and click paste option from the shortcut menu as you did in the previous case. The file will be removed from the original location. So with this we have completed our 8th chapter. I hope you all have understood it. So study well. Question and answers and exercises of this chapter will be uploaded on the website. Write the question and answers in your notebook and do the exercises in your textbook itself.